Today we will do the consequences of global warming. Due to this, glacier will melt at the higher rate that leads to a rise in sea level and resulting in flood and loss of soil like this. Due to global warming, that also leads to a forest fires, because if the temperature will increase, the automatically the small branches bushes will take a fire and that leads to a forest fire. Then do you check this global warming? How do you reduce this global warming? By reducing the use of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, wood, etc. Okay, burning of wood create lot of carbon dioxide gas, and due to this global warming increases. So we should minimize the use of this. Number 2, stop cutting down the trees. Means deforestation must be stopped. We should not cut down the trees because trees absorb the harmful gas, that is carbon monoxide. Third is we should plant more trees. More and more trees should be planted to check the global warming, to reduce the global warming, because when you plant more trees it will give you oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, and less use of chlorofluorocarbon. Use of chlorofluorocarbon must be checked. Now we will do the method to control air pollution. For that, firstly, you should grow more and more plants so that we get the fresh air. Number 2, stop cutting down the trees. Stop deforestation. So that we can get the fresh air by planting more tree, and stop burning wood, coal, because it release harmful gases in the environment. Okay, then use a pure petrol in your cars and vehicles. Unleaded petrol means pure petrol. And do not burn the fallen leaves. It should be converted into a कंपोस्ट. इसकी खाद बनानी चाहिए आपको. डोंट बर्न द लीव्स बिकॉज इट लीड्स टू एयर पोल्यूशन. ओके, make it compost. Then less use of chlorofluorocarbon. Reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbon and celebrate the plants Utsav, Van Maha Utsavs. Thank you. In this way, you can control the